Watch this short video I made with Grok AI, completely free. And here's the crazy part. People are making money right now with stories just like this. Storytelling is exploding on YouTube. And trust me, you can do the exact same thing. People love short stories on YouTube right now. Animated stories, AI stories, mystery, fantasy, all of it. And the channels posting these AI stories, they're getting millions of views. And yes, they're fully monetized. That means you can literally upload videos like this and get paid through YouTube ads without showing your face. YouTube pays creators for watch time, and AI stories keep viewers hooked because they're fast, dramatic, and super bingeable. And the best part? You can make unlimited stories just like this in minutes. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. It's super simple. You can use Grok AI to create horror stories, African tales, fantasy stories, and so much more. Stay until the end because if you actually apply what I show you, you can use stories like this to make real money. This video can change your life. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Mivambi. Hit subscribe and join the family. Now, let me show you step by step how to do this. Step 1. The first thing we need is a story. For this, we'll use ChatGPT. Go ahead and open ChatGPT, start a new chat, and I'll show you the exact prompt to create your story. Just copy and paste this. This is the prompt. Create a 60-second Pixar-style 3D cartoon horror romance story with exactly 2 main characters to maintain visual consistency. The story must be scary with a layer of romance, written in simple, easy-to-visualize language. Structure and requirements. Duration, the story should fit comfortably within the 60-second of narration. Characters, only 2 main characters appear throughout. Hooks, add a small suspense hook every 5 seconds to keep the viewer engaged. Tone, strongly cinematic, focused on clear physical actions, not abstract thoughts. Story arc, a clear beginning, rising tension, a turning point, twist or reveal, a satisfying ending. Genres must blend scary plus romance naturally. After ChatGPT finish, I gave him the next prompt, which is, take the story you just created and break it into a clear, comprehensive scene prompt. Each scene should describe what is happening visually, including character actions, setting, and mood. Keep each scene between 5 to 8 seconds of screen time. Make sure every scene flows naturally into the next, so the final video feels like one continuous cinematic sequence. Do not introduce new characters or settings unless they were already in the story. The description should be straightforward, visual, and easy for an AI video generator to understand. Great! Now that we have our story, I also asked ChatGPT to expand it into a full 60-second script for narration. This will be the voiceover for our story. Having the full story broken down into scenes makes it easier to visualize and turn into a video. Each part of the story will match a scene we create in Grok AI. So now that we have the full story and the narration ready, the next step is to actually create these scenes in Grok AI. Let me show you how.
Okay, so here we're in Grok AI. So come here, this is going to be your dashboard here. Now come here, imagine. Click this one, you're going to have here. So here, most of the time it's going to be a video, but you change to image and select aspect ratio. We want this one, 3:2, because this is for YouTube video, YouTube long form video. So once you've done that, now we're going back to ChatGPT. We're going to take our prompt, our scene for the video we want to do. So we copy this one, you come back here and you come here and paste this one here. Okay, and click here. It's going to start to create our image, right? So let's give a few minutes. It's going to create image for us and we're going to select which one we want to use for our story. Okay, so this is a story here. So let's see which one we can use. All these images, they're very nice. Let's have a look. I think this one is more nice here. this one here, so we can use this one as our image for our video. So we click this one. Once you finish here, click here, make a video. It's going to generate a video for us. Okay, our video is ready. Look at this. It's very nice. So let me show you the hack for this. Usual Grok AI, once you put a prompt, it generates a lot of video here for you, or generate a lot of image for you. So we're going to disable that. So come here, I'm going to show the setting. This is the hack. So here, come here, setting. Once you come here behavior, and come here to here, enable automatic video generation. So we're going to disable this, and now we're going to continue with our story, right? So we already have our first scene. So here I'm going to stop this one. Now I'm going to drag until the end, because we want consistent character. Okay, so we're going to take this character for our next scene. So come here, right click, go to copy video frame. Is going to copy this, and we come back here, we're going to paste this one here. Okay, once we finish here, this is our scene. Now we're going back to our second scene, which is this one. ChatGPT, I'm coming to copy the way it is. I'm coming back here, I'm going to paste here. Okay, and I'm going to create. So let's give a few minutes. It's going to create our second scene for the video we are creating. Wow, so this is our second scene. Look how nice, how realistic it look. Right, so this is our second one. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pause the video. I'll pause this video here, and then if you can drag until the end. So we want the end here. So we're doing the same. Right click, come here, copy video frame. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste. So you see here now we can't do this, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to go around this. So go back to imagine, and come back here, paste your last scene here. Okay, now it's here. Now we're coming back to our third scene. I'm going to copy this one, ChatGPT. I'm going back to Grok. I'm going to paste here, and I'm going to click create. It's going to create the next scene. So I'm going to do this until the end, until I finish all my, you see here, I go, how many I go 10, no, I go 12, I go 12 scene. So I'm going to do it one by one, the same principle, until I finish all my scene. I'm going to show you the next step, which we're going to do is to put all this video together, and we're going to edit this. We're going to create one video. So the next step we're going to do, I'm going to show you, is we're going to create the voiceover.
Great! Now that we've finished creating all our scenes in Grok AI, it's time for step 2 of our process, adding the voiceover. For this, we'll use Google Studio AI. Just go to Google and type Google Studio AI, or use the link in the description. Here, we're going to take our full 60-second script, the narration we got from ChatGPT, and turn it into professional-sounding audio. Simply paste your script into Google Studio AI, choose a voice you like, and generate the audio. It's fast, simple, and sounds amazing. Once we have the audio, we'll sync it with the scenes we created in Grok AI and get our full story video ready for YouTube. Perfect! Now that we have our audio ready, it's time to put the video together. For this, we're going to use CapCut, a free, easy-to-use video editor. Here's CapCut. CapCut lets us combine our AI-generated scenes from Grok AI with the narration we created in Google Studio AI. We can also add effects, transitions, and text if we want. Simply import all your scenes and the audio into CapCut, line them up to match the story, and adjust timing as needed. You'll see how quickly your 60-second story comes together. Once everything is synced perfectly, our story is ready to export. And then we can upload it to YouTube and start sharing it with the world.
On a moonlit cliff by the crashing waves, Luna and Kai climbed toward an old lighthouse, glowing softly in the dark. As they reached the door, it creaked open by itself, warm light spilling onto their wide cartoon eyes. Inside, tiny glowing footprints appeared on the dusty floor and raced up the spiral stairs. Luna grabbed Kai's sleeve, and together they followed the moving light as it circled higher and higher. Halfway up, a heavy metal chain swung on its own, clanking loudly in the empty tower. At the top platform, a bright blue orb floated, then twisted into a shadowy version of Kai, smiling too wide. The real Kai pulled Luna close as the shadow stepped forward, copying his movements perfectly. Then Luna stepped between them, holding Kai's hand to her heart. The shadow flickered, burst into sparkling dust, and vanished. Warm light filled the lighthouse again. Hand in hand, Luna and Kai walked out, safe under the glowing moon.
And there you have it. Our 60-second AI story is complete. Scenes from Grok AI, narration from Google Studio AI, all edited together in CapCut. Easy, right? If you want me to show you exactly how to upload this video to YouTube, including clickable elements, titles, tags, hashtags, and a perfect description, just type "show me" in the comments, and I'll make another video for you. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more AI storytelling and money-making tutorials. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.